Well, today I'm going to be opening a box of brand new hubcaps for my 2003 Vibe. The factory ones are looking pretty rough. I didn't want to pay the price for OEM ones, and the ones in the junkyard are all looking pretty bad too. So I took a chance on some $25 Corolla hubcaps off eBay. So we're going to see how those work. As you can see, the factory ones here are pretty faded from brake dust, scratched, just overall have a lot of wear, but they do fasten with these plastic caps that thread onto the lug nuts, and the new ones are snapping, so we'll have to see how that goes. These are 21 millimeter. I decided to wipe the wheel down a little bit with a rag. If I really wanted this thing to look better, I'd probably just spray it flat black, just so there's some nice contrast between the wheel and the hubcap. Let's see here. And that did not go so well, but they're on there. So it's on there pretty good. As you can see, I cracked it, so when you put these things on, just kind of be gentle and work it around the perimeter. It's still on there pretty good. For these wheel covers, I would say definitely a good price and a good value. They are noticeably more quiet over bumps. They don't rattle like the factory ones. As far as cons, I'd just say they're probably going to crack after several removals if I ever have to remove the tires, but time will tell.